Job interviews have changed, and in 2025, AI is asking as many questions as humans. Writing about this trend usually means hours of research, formatting, images, and SEO work. But with autoblogging.ai, all of that content, layout, visuals, and optimization happens in one go. Let me show you how. Here it is, a full job interview prep blog, complete with SEO images and headlines, infographics, and even YouTube video added at the bottom of your blog with FAQs. And it was done in under 3 minutes, and I'll show you how I did this using autoblogging.ai. After you log in, on your left panel, there are different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulk generate. I'm choosing wizard because it lets you go to step by step through every setting. Article title, I'm gonna type the AI interview question candidates are facing in 2025. Next, from the language, I'm going to keep it English, but autoblogging supports 30 languages. So if your readers are in Spanish, French, or German, switch instantly. Next, for the article length, I'm going to keep it long because this kind of article needs depth and examples. Short is like a quick tips or update, and medium is like a balanced detail. Next, here I'm going to select informative, perfect for step-by-step explanations and insight. But here's what other styles do. Listicle is, it builds a numbered tips or a question list. Places creates a location-focused article like top cities hiring AI specialist. And service bar landing pages is great for resume service, coaching, or HR agencies. Next, here I'm going to keep it second person so the article speaks directly to the reader. But here's what other options do. First person is like a personal story blog, and third person is more neutral and editorial style. Next, I'm going to keep it auto, which adapts based on our topic, but here's what other style do. Less AI words is more natural and gives a human-like flow. Premium style 1 is SEO friendly formatting. Snippet optimizer, it increases the chances of appearing in Google snippet. Conversational is more friendly approach. Witty adds a casual and a playful energy. And professional is more polished for a B2B content. Next, here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Intense optimize article. It builds SEO focused headings and structure. FAQs will add real search questions people are asking in Google and add it at the end of your blog. AI images will create visuals with alt text in it, which is great for SEO. And add infographics will add quick references visuals like a flow chart or a checklist. Next, SERP analysis. Now it checks the top result on Google for your topic. It studies how those articles are written, what section they use, and what's working best. Then it uses that information to shape our blog so it has better chance of ranking alongside them. Just have to enable this, and in the source context box type how you want your article to be, and you can also select the country where you want to rank first. Here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Outline from competition, it follows proven structure from ranking Google, and external link will add credible references which boost authority. Key takeaways will add a summary section for readers at the end of your blog, and YouTube video will add a relevant video for that better engagement. Next, AI proofreading, just enable this and quickly leave a note here. So it will polishes the grammar, tone and flow before publishing. Next, internal linking. If you already have interview preparation blogs like common HR questions or resume mistakes to avoid, just enable this and enter your domain here. And autoblogging.ai will automatically link relevant keywords in this new blog to those posts, keeping readers on your site longer and strengthening the SEO game. Next, human proofreading. Now just enable this and quickly leave a guideline here. So, for example, check the facts or keep the flow natural. For this, you will require a human proofreading credit, which you can purchase anytime from our dashboard. Now hit on generate article, click on the history tab, scroll down and wait for the view like icon here, click on that. And here you go, your blog is ready to publish with proper headlines, images, infographics added. And if you scroll down, you'll see a relevant video, YouTube video, common FAQs that people are already searching in Google. But here's a quick tip. If you want to be faster next time, here's what you can do. You can always go to quick and single option. Just enter your title. With fewer clicks, you can generate an article. It is just as same as Wizard, but with fewer clicks. And if you want to generate up to 100 titles at once, then you can always use a bulk generate option where you can even auto post that to WordPress. Job interviews trends move fast, and now your blog can move just as quickly. With autoblogging.ai, you can turn one idea into a polished SEO ready article in minutes. And if you would rather focus on your career, you can always try a done for you blog service where we'll handle everything for you. Drop your next blog idea in the comments and it might be the next one that I create. If this video helped, hit a like, subscribe.